Welcome to the best picks. The best pocket saw is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any outdoor enthusiast, providing a reliable and compact solution for various tasks, from cutting firewood for a campfire to preparing branches for shelter construction, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected situations during your adventures, making it an invaluable addition to your camping or hiking gear, and offering a convenient and efficient way to handle various cutting needs in the wilderness. Number 5. MOSSY OAK 3-in-1 Folding Saw. This versatile saw is perfect for any outdoor adventure. It's lightweight, easy to use, and comes with everything you need. Changing blades is a breeze. Simply adjust the knob to select the blade you need, then tighten it to secure it in place. It features 3 specialized blades, a pruning blade, a hardwood plastic blade, and a metal blade. Each is designed for optimal performance on different materials. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. Its slip-resistant design ensures safe and precise cuts. A secure locking mechanism keeps the blade firmly in place during use and prevents accidental closing. It's easy to open and close with a simple push-button design. A durable nylon pouch is included for safe and easy carrying. It can hold the saw and extra blades, keeping everything organized. What we like. It has 3 interchangeable blades for various materials. The blade changing system is simple and efficient. Its secure locking mechanism ensures safe operation. If you need a versatile saw for different materials and prioritize safety, this is the one for you. What people say. Sawed some thick branches, and it worked like a charm. I used the medium-tooth one. No sign of wear on the teeth after a couple tries. It was easy to replace the saw blades. I enjoy having this combination hand saw, multi-capabilities all contained. Fits nicely in the hand, easy to change blades and sheath included, keeps everything in its place. Well engineered and manufactured. This tool by MOSSY OAK quickly became a favorite of mine. It comes with 3 different blades so you can tackle more than one task while traveling. I used one blade to cut through a larger branch that had fallen in my way, and another to cut through a 2x4 I had with me for a makeshift repair. Very useful and looks like it will hold up for years. Number 4. Corona RS7245 Folding Saw. This is the Corona RS7245 Folding Saw, perfect for tackling various pruning tasks. Its compact design and sharp blade make it an ideal tool for any gardener. It features a 7-inch curved blade, making it easy to maneuver around branches. This blade is perfect for cutting branches up to 3 inches in diameter. The ergonomically designed handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. The co-molded handle also covers the blade when folded for safety. Safety is paramount. It has an easy-to-use blade lock, preventing accidental injuries and ensuring safe storage. It's made from high-carbon Japanese SK5 steel, known for its exceptional hardness and durability. This ensures it will last for years to come. With up to 6 teeth per inch, it delivers fast, clean cuts. This makes quick work of even the toughest branches. It's perfect for cutting small to medium-sized branches. Its razor-toothed curved blade design ensures faster and cleaner cuts every time. What we like. Boasting a razor-sharp, curved blade, it delivers fast, clean cuts. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Its simple locking mechanism is easy to use. If you value speed and comfort in a compact saw, this is a great option. What people say. It cut through logs up to about 5 to 6 inches in diameter in about a minute, without requiring too much work. My teenage boys were able to use it as well. The Corona worked much better. It was harder to get it started and I was sliding side to side, but it's because it only cuts on the pole, so that was my fault. However, once it got going it cruised through the same piece of wood in less than half the time. The price is great, and I've never had a saw that cuts better. This cuts fast and smoothly. The blades are designed to cut fast and stay sharp unless you hit dirt or rocks. Number 3. Outdoor Edge Flip N Zip Saw. It's the ultimate small folding saw, perfect for hunting, camping, or backpacking. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere. This saw boasts a triple-ground diamond cut blade. It effortlessly cuts through tough bone and wood, ensuring a clean and efficient cut every time. With a 4.4-inch blade and a 9.4-inch overall length, it's the perfect size for any outdoor adventure. The 65mm steel with chrome coating ensures durability and rust resistance. The handle is made from 6061 T6 aircraft aluminum with a non-slip orange rubberized coating. This provides a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet conditions. It's built to last. Outdoor Edge stands behind its products with a service-for-life guarantee. Contact us if you ever have any issues. Get yours today and experience the difference. This saw is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. What we like. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, perfect for backpacking or hunting trips. The durable blade easily cuts through bone and wood. Its small size makes it ideal for portability. If you prioritize lightweight and durability in a small package, this is your best bet. What people say. Works pretty well and as advertised. Well made, yet lightweight. Razor-sharp blade cuts both bone and wood. This tiny folding saw is the perfect blend of toughness and unmatched packability. Just the right size for field dressing a deer. Tried it out on an old hickory tomahawk handle and it zipped right through it pretty effortlessly. Number 2. Silky 726-13 PocketBoy Saw. This is the Silky 726-13 PocketBoy Saw, a professional-grade folding saw designed for speed and efficiency. Its curved blade and pull-cut technology make it significantly faster than traditional saws. It boasts a 130mm blade with an optimized tooth configuration for smoother, faster cutting. Experience approximately 15 to 20% faster cutting speed compared to straight blade models. This saw features impulse hardening, a process that makes its teeth 3 times sharper and more durable than those of non-hardened blades. This means it stays sharper for longer. It's incredibly durable and designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. It also comes with a durable belt case for easy portability and protection. Perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, or any task requiring precise cutting. It's a reliable tool for various outdoor activities and general pruning. Make sure you're buying the genuine Silky Professional series. Look for the professional marking on the blade to avoid inferior imitations. What we like. This saw features a curved blade and pull-cut technology for incredibly fast cutting. The impulse-hardened blade stays sharp for a long time. It's a professional-grade tool. If you need a fast, efficient, and long-lasting saw for professional or demanding tasks, choose this one. What people say. Very sharp, easy to cut a branch 2 inches diameter. Very smooth and fast cutting large branches or even saplings that are in the way. Very sharp, and its small size allows one to work in tight areas, makes it possible to prune portions of shrubs with close-set shoots without damaging nearby shoots. Makes short work of pruning. Number 1. Pocket Chainsaw Rope Saw. It's made of high-strength carbon steel with a durable nylon belt. This makes it perfect for cutting even the hardest wood. Its folding design and compact size make it easy to pack and carry. It's the perfect blend of convenience and power. With its two-way tooth design, it cuts quickly and efficiently. The blade reaches 3 sides of the limb at once, making it faster than other saws. The soft nylon handle is comfortable to hold and prevents blisters. The bright orange color makes it easy to find. It's great for camping, hunting, hiking, and more. It's a perfect gift for outdoorsmen and makes a great addition to any emergency kit. What we like. This lightweight saw is incredibly easy to use and pack. Made from durable materials, it's built to last. Its compact design makes it perfect for any outdoor adventure. If you are looking for a portable and durable saw for various outdoor activities, this is the one for you. What people say. Cut 3 Christmas trees down in seconds. Great product, very strong straps. Put a rock in sock, tied it to some rope, and tied some rope to this pocket chainsaw. Threw the rock rope chainsaw over the limbs about 20 to 25 feet up. It cut the limbs ranging from 4 to 6 inches in diameter without issue. Very sharp out of the box, cuts quick once you get it into position. Very pleased with the product so far. Seems well built. The hand straps are comfortable, lightweight with carrying case. Would definitely recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.